皆さんこんにちは、佐藤です。今日のレッスンは Today's lesson is Lesson 15. In this lesson, we are going to learn about negative form of verbs and how to make an invitation or suggestion using negative forms. では始めましょう。Let's get started. We've already learned about two conjugation forms, dictionary form and mass form. If you are not sure how to make mass forms of verbs, please watch the video of Lesson 13. We learned how to make a sentence using this mass form, which is polite speech. For example, I drink coffee is コーヒーを飲みます。What we are going to learn today is how to negate the sentence. I don't drink coffee. コーヒー or something. As long as you know the mass form of verbs, you can easily make negative form of it. Mass form ends with mas, like 飲みます. When you want to negate it, just replace mas with ません. ません. So 飲みます affirmative form, 飲みません negative form. Only the difference is す and せん at the end. 飲みます affirmative, 飲みません negative. It doesn't matter if it's aる verb, う verb, or a regular verb. ます at the end has to be ません. So 食べます、食べません。飲みます、飲みません。します、しません。来ます、来ません。So, I don't drink coffee. コーヒーを and negative form of 飲みます。飲みます、飲みません。So, コーヒーを飲みません。I don't drink coffee. I will play tennis tomorrow. 明日 tomorrow. テニスを and when we say to play sports, we use the verb to do, する. So, mass form of する is します。明日テニスをします means I will play tennis tomorrow. I'm gonna play tennis tomorrow. How about this one? I won't play tennis tomorrow. I'm not gonna play tennis tomorrow. 明日テニスを and negative form of します。します affirmative and しません negative. So 明日テニスをしません I won't. I'm not gonna play tennis tomorrow. Please translate this sentence. さとみさんはテニスをします。さとみさんはテニスをします。さとみ is a name and さん suffix. So, Satomi-san plays tennis. Satomi plays tennis. If I add a question mark か at the end, what does it mean? Question mark か is used to make a question sentence. So, Satomi-san はテニスをしますか is a question. Does Satomi play tennis? Does she play tennis? If the answer is yes, はい、します。Yes, she does. If no, how do you say? No, she doesn't. いいえ、しません。いいえ、しません。No, she doesn't. When the subject is obvious, we usually drop it. If someone asks you, テニスをしますか? It means do you play tennis? Or are you gonna play tennis?It's just a plain question. How about this sentence? テニスをしません negative form plus か at the end. You may think it means don't you play tennis because negative form of verb plus か. But negative form of verb plus question mark か. This combination is used to extend an invitation.So, テニスをしませんか is an invitation. Would you like to play tennis with me? Please note the negative form of verb plus ka is used to extend an invitation or to make a suggestion. カフェに行きませんか？カフェに行きませんか？行きません is a negative form of 行きます to go. So, カフェに行きませんか means, would you like to go to cafe with me? So it's an invitation. クッキーを食べませんか？食べません is a negative form of 食べます to eat. So, クッキーを食べませんか means, would you like to eat some cookies? It's a suggestion. Please change these verbs into negative forms. Must at the end has to be ません. So, 食べます。食べません。行きます。行きません。見ます。見ません。Simply replace must with ません。Please make a suggestion in Japanese. Would you like to watch a movie with me? Movie is 映画。映画。So, 映画を and to watch. Must form of to watch is 見ます。What is the negative form of 見ます？見ます。見ません。映画を見ません means I don't watch any movies. But if we add か at the end, it's an invitation. Would you like to watch a movie with me? 映画を見ませんか？ Please translate this. 明日カフェに行きませんか？明日カフェに行きませんか？明日は何ですか？明日 means tomorrow. So tomorrow, カフェに行きませんか？行きません is a negative form of 行きます to go. And question mark か So, 行きませんか It's an invitation. Would you like to go to cafe with me tomorrow? If the answer is yes, はい、行きます。はい、行きます。Yes, I will go. I'd love to. If the answer is no, how do you say? いいえ、行きません。No, I won't go. This is grammatically correct, but it's not nice to reject like this. No, I won't go. So usually Japanese people say, すみません。I'm sorry. 明日はちょっと。ちょっと means a little bit. And we don't finish the sentence. We say, すみません。I'm sorry. 明日はちょっと。Tomorrow is a little bit ... It means a little bit inconvenient, which means no. So as long as you know the must forms of verbs, it's quite easy to make negative forms. And you can also make other conjugation forms using a must stem. Must form is a really important conjugation form. So it's a good idea to memorize each verb as a set of dictionary form and must form. Like 食べる and 食べます。行く、行きます。見る、見ます。If you memorize them as a set, you can easily make other conjugation forms. Most of Japanese learners focus on memorizing must form of the verbs first, because it can be used in polite speech. But if you remember dictionary form and must form together, it will be easy to look up new words in dictionary, and it will be easy to make other conjugation forms. There's another negative form ending with ないです like 食べないです But we will learn about this in a later lesson. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。